This is Attorney Mike Grevlin coming to you today from Chicago as usual, and today we're going to look at 5 funny scenes from Boston Legal. Let's do it. Okay, we're going to take a little break from our Better Call Saul stuff. Don't worry about it. I'm going to finish Season 5, and I'm going to do Season 6 when it comes out. But you can blame commenter Byron McGregor for dropping word salad into the comments, which sent me on this here journey. The setup here is simple. For reasons not important here, Alan Shore just starts speaking nonsense in the middle of trial, and it all starts right here.
Our blood. And yet, what is our biggest fear? The dirty bomb, not the dirty water.
Objection, Your Honor. Mr. Shore is introducing evidence in his closing that was never presented at trial.
Nonsense, Your Honor. I refer you to plaintiff's exhibit number Apple.
I beg your pardon?
Apple trash can is picked from God.
It continues on in closing argument, and he does a really good job of maintaining the tempo and cadence of a closing argument while saying all this crazy stuff. And this word salad is pretty delicious.
These questions are birthday basements. To end the blue radish is the upside of luxury, and Sparky and Good Lizard can only make tears fall in hindsight. Puddles do not ask for why not. It is cheese, breath, and wind. It is cheese.
And don't forget to hit like and subscribe, or the dogs get it. This next bit is Alan Shore again, and he's just being kind of naughty here. Don't worry, as the video progresses, he actually gets worse.
So, do I get my kiss or not?
Tara, the way mistletoe works is the one standing under it is the one to receive.
Well, I prefer to meet in the middle.
Well, I do enjoy your middle tremendously, but a kiss really is more traditional.
Here we have Denny Crane getting chewed out by a client because the firm is not green enough.
And which will probably wind up in the landfill. Meanwhile, Green People is paying your firm legal fees in the 6 figures every year. Bottom line, Denny, get green or I'll recommend we hire another law firm.
Walt, may I say something?
Okay.
I love the environment, I really do. And every day, I kiss the ground I walk on, as do many others, because I am, after all, Denny Crane.
The client just keeps going, but Denny's having none of it.
I'm committing the rest of my life to it. I told you it was important for our law firm to be environmentally conscious. You're wearing blinking antlers, for God's sake.
Walt, it's Christmas. It's the time of year to embrace giving and getting and waste and gluttony and all the things that made God in this country great. Don't be such a girl.
Finally, Denny's had all that he can take, and he gives the client another piece of his mind and kicks him out of his office.
The winter, and I prefer night games and football, and I am fed up with you global warming wussers raining on my electric parade.
You can be such an arrogant, ignorant ass.
So can you. Good news, it's paint. Bad news, it's not biodegradable. Nobody comes into my office and ruins my Christmas with a load of save the planet, atheist, communist crap. Off you go now.
This next bit is really good. It's just Alan being bad again, and it's sort of interesting. I don't even know if they could do this joke anymore. He propositions he's completely inappropriate, which is the entire joke. And then here's the follow-up conversation.
Excuse me. I just wanted to tell you that what you said to me last night was truly disgusting.
And I assure you, Denise, I'm a man of my word.
This next bit is really good. Denny was charged with gun possession, and he's trying to conflate the issues with the Second Amendment. And they have this little courtroom scene. The timing of it is excellent from a comedic perspective. Of course, it's completely over the top and not realistic. But this is what I like about the show. The underlying basis of it makes sense, and then they exaggerate it and have a lot of fun with it.
On the person, not about self-defense.
That doesn't mean we can ignore the reality that if Mr. Crane didn't have his concealed weapon,
Dead.
Gone.
Vinny.
Boom.
Boom.
And boom.
Objection! Stop it! You think you have a constitutional right to conceal a weapon without a carry permit?
I have a right to keep a gun at home. The court says so.
You were on the street.
A man's home is where his heart is. In my case, the penis.
Do you have any idea how many people die from gun violence in this country?
Yeah, let's make a law. No carrying guns. I'm sure the criminals will obey it.
Show me.
Here at Law Talk, we do a lot of videos answering common legal questions. We also do reviews of law in the movies and then on TV. We also share some of our more interesting cases. We're always putting out new videos. So if you like that, please hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell.